This is a video demonstrating how to replace a touch screen for all systems equipped with a touch screen. Note that some components and cables are not shown to help clarify the instructions. To remove the damaged screen, first, locate the two screws marked by the arrows in this video. Next, remove the two screws and carefully set aside. Then, tilt the PC assembly back, as shown. Note the assembly does not need to be removed. Next, remove all cables from the screen. Then, rotate the two screen holders that secure the screen to the system. Note, at this point, the screen is now unsecured. Next, remove the old screen from the assembly. Now you can install the new screen. Installation is the reverse of removal. First, place the new screen where the old screen was, then, rotate the screen holders to secure the screen, and, plug in the cables. Next, tilt the PC assembly up and screw in with the set-aside screws. Note, there will be protective film on the glass face that will need to be removed prior to installation. This concludes the replacing a touch screen video. Thank you for choosing Softrol systems.